Hello, this is Paul Hafner, Application Product Specialist. I'm going to walk you through the keypad located on the RGC series. This keypad is located on the side reload as well as the front, and any of the functions can be operated from either location. Looking at the display, it has two bar graphs. The top one will be for tank level, and the bottom one is for agitation. In the center, you will get a digital readout of volume in the tank, engine RPMs, as well as pump pressure. On the keypad itself, we have functionality for our main tank sump, as well as our front reload sump if you're equipped with a front reload. Next to the main tank sump, we have product pump, as well as agitation, increase, and decrease. The next row, where we have the front reload sump, we also have our engine control, as well as throttle up and throttle down. Third row is our cycle switch, which will change the display from reading gallons, engine RPMs, pump pressure. That is followed by two lighting switches. The first lighting switch is for the system LED lights, and the next one is for the reload station light. The system maintenance icon is not used at this time. The bottom row, the 1 and 2, operate at the same as the 1 and 2 located on the tab in the lighting keypad, and the A is tied in with the A on the B pillar. And then the last one, the play stop, again, is not used at this time.